Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install DirectX 12 for Windows 10 and 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down DirectX. Okay, again, DirectX. Click on it and then just click on yes. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just wait for this progress bar right here to reach the end. Okay. And then once that's done, go ahead over to the display tab. It could be display 1 or display 2 if you have multiple displays. And just look at feature levels right here. If yours says 9, 10, 11, and 12, well, that means your GPU is DirectX 12 capable. Now you'll be able to download DirectX 12. If it says here 11 only, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to download DirectX 12. Okay? So to download it, go ahead over to your favorite browser and just find DirectX. Okay? Hit on enter. Now click on the ones from Microsoft right here that says DirectX user or end user runtime web installer. Now click on download. Save it wherever you want. Save. And once the download process is done, just click on it or double click the installer. Okay? Hit on yes as there will be a pop-up and then just click on I accept, next. Untick this bloatware and next. Just wait for the process to finish right here. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Just click on finish, restart your computer, and that's it. That's how you download and install DirectX 12 for Windows 10 and 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.